Hi, I'm Mitch Polonsky, Director of Product Marketing at SMSC. And today I'm going to talk to you about RightTouch capacitive sensors. Okay, so capacitive sensing, it's been pretty popular and there's several reasons for that. One, reliability. We're getting rid of mechanical buttons. Two, industrial design. You get to do some interesting things with a flat, sleek finish. And three, up-and-coming simple gesturing and proximity features that you can build in. All of these things can be done with SMSC RightTouch. Improving your reliability, industrial design, simple gesturing. Okay, so let's talk about how SMSC RightTouch products differ from other offerings in the marketplace. Number one, we're a hardware-based IC. So that means that it's a quicker time to marketplace because we're just a register-based IC that you configure on PowerUp and we're ready to go. After all, we've only been designed to do one thing and one thing only. That is capacitive sensing. This differs with respect to microcontrollers, where they're, to some extent, trying to be everything to everybody. So that lengthens the time in development because first you have to give that microcontroller an identity. Every change comes with some firmware you have to track. These things just translate into longer development time. Okay, difference number two. SMSC RightTouch capacitive sensors have a lot of noise filtering built in. So we have noise filtering built in for a lot of system noise, like DC to DC converters, RF noise that may be in your system because of a 3G module or a Wi-Fi module. Also, external noise, such as cellular phone noise. This is also a very important piece to filter out of our systems. So, this brings me to item number three that differs SMSC technology in RightTouch from others, and that's calibration. So we've built in some intelligent calibration to allow systems to, over time, compensate for small changes in the surface, small changes in the environment, as well as things that are large changes, such as changes of something that gets on your button surface, such as something from messy fingers. So, with calibration, we can now adjust for small changes over time, and this is built in to RightTouch from SMSC. And finally, the fourth and final area of difference with SMSC technology is ESD protection. So on every input pin for capacitive sensing on RightTouch products, SMSC is built in 8 kV human body model protection. So why is this important? After all, capacitive sensing happens to be an interface, and this is why it's important, because people will walk up to these button modules or button interfaces and they'll touch them, and as system designers we have no control of whether they're walking over carpet or they have a stored up charge in them to begin with when they touch the surface. So I'm Mitch Polonsky, and this is RightTouch capacitive sensors from SMSC with four major product differences. We're a hardware-based IC, built-in noise filtering, recalibration over time, and ESD protection.
For more information, visit smsc.com.